By pinpointing the root causes, organizations can focus their efforts on addressing the core issues. Organizations should consider leveraging technology and data analytics to address KPIs. Collaboration with stakeholders and external partners can also be beneficial in addressing KPIs. Our organizations can harness technology to streamline KPI monitoring, gain real-time insights, and drive continuous improvement. Advanced analytic tools can perform complex calculations, conduct predictive analysis, and generate meaningful visualizations. Developing KPIs for your future freedom is not an easy task. Right now, we are going to learn more on creating strategies and leveraging technology with KPIs. These are the final steps in developing next-level KPIs for you and your business. No reason to waste time. Let's get into these steps now. Addressing lagging key performance indicators requires proactive measures and strategic interventions to drive improvement and achieve desired outcomes. In this section, we will explore practical strategies and best practices for addressing KPIs and turning them into drivers of success. The first strategy is to conduct a thorough root cause analysis to identify the underlying factors contributing to KPIs. Organizations can develop targeted action plans by understanding the specific causes behind underperformance. This analysis may involve gathering employee feedback, conducting customer surveys, analyzing processes inefficiencies, or examining market trends. By pinpointing the root causes, organizations can focus their efforts on addressing the core issues. Once the root causes are identified, organizations can develop actionable plans to address each area of underperformance. This involves setting clear objectives, defining measurable targets, and establishing key milestones to track progress. For example, if customer satisfaction is a KPI, the action plan may include improving customer service training, streamlining complaint resolution processes, or enhancing product quality. Organizations can effectively address KPIs by breaking the overall goal into actionable steps. Effective communication and engagement are critical throughout the process of addressing KPIs. Leaders should communicate the importance of improvement initiatives, involve employees in decision-making, and provide regular updates on progress. This fosters a sense of ownership and accountability among team members, encouraging their active participation in driving change. Organizations can harness their workforces collectively, intelligence, and creatively to address KPIs by creating a culture of open communication and collaboration. In addition, organizations should consider leveraging technology and data analytics to address KPIs. Advanced analytic tools can help identify trends, patterns, and correlations within data, enabling organizations to gain valuable insights. Organizations can automate processes, enhance data accuracy, and generate real-time reports and dashboards by leveraging technology solutions. This allows for timely decision-making and facilitates proactive interventions to address KPIs. Regular monitoring and tracking of progress are essential to ensure the effectiveness of the improvement strategies. Organizations should establish a system for ongoing measurement and reporting of KPIs. This enables them to track the impact of their initiatives, identify any deviations, and make necessary adjustments. By continuously monitoring performance, Organizations can stay proactive and address potential issues before they escalate. Another effective strategy for addressing KPIs is fostering a continuous improvement culture. This involves encouraging employees to share ideas, take calculated risks, and experiment with new approaches. By promoting a learning mindset and creating a safe environment for innovation, organizations can uncover new solutions to address KPIs. Recognizing and rewarding employees for their contributions to improvement initiatives further reinforces a culture of continuous improvement. Collaboration with stakeholders and external partners can also be beneficial in addressing KPIs. Engaging with suppliers, customers, industry experts, or consultants can provide fresh perspectives and insights. Collaborative initiatives such as joint improvement projects or knowledge sharing forums can help organizations gain new ideas and approaches to address underperformance. In summary, addressing KPIs requires a proactive and strategic approach. Conducting root cause analysis, developing targeted action plans, fostering effective communication, leveraging technology and data analytics, monitoring progress, promoting a culture of continuous improvement, and collaborating with stakeholders are key strategies for its success. By implementing these strategies, organizations can effectively address KPIs, drive improvement, and achieve their desired outcomes. Leveraging technology for KPI monitoring and improvement. In today's digital age, leveraging technology is essential for effectively monitoring and improving key performance indicators, KPIs. This section will explore how our organizations can harness technology to streamline KPI monitoring, gain real-time insights, and drive continuous improvement. The first way technology can support KPI monitoring is by implementing robust data management systems. Advanced software solutions and databases enable organizations to collect, store, and analyze large volumes of data efficiently. By centralizing data in a secure and accessible platform, organizations can easily track KPIs and generate reports, eliminating the need for manual data compilation and reducing the risk of errors. Real-time reporting and dashboards are other valuable features of technology for KPI monitoring. With the help of intuitive dashboards, organizations can visualize KPIs and performance metrics in real time. These dynamic visuals allow for quick and easy identification of trends, anomalies, and areas of concern. By monitoring KPIs in real time, organizations can take timely actions to address performance issues and capitalize on emerging opportunities. In addition to monitoring, technology offers powerful analytic capabilities that enable organizations to gain deeper insights into their KPIs. Advanced analytic tools can perform complex calculations, conduct predictive analysis, and generate meaningful visualizations. These tools allow organizations to uncover correlations, identify causal factors, and make data-driven decisions to optimize their KPI performance. Automation is another key aspect of technology that can significantly enhance KPI monitoring and improvement. Manual data entry and repetitive tasks can be time-consuming and prone to errors. By automating these processes through technologies such as robotic process automation, RPA, organizations can free up valuable resources and ensure accuracy and efficiency. Automation allows employees to focus on value-added activities such as analyzing KPI data and implementing improvement strategies. Furthermore, technology facilitates collaborative KPI management across different teams and departments. Cloud-based platforms and collaboration tools enable the seamless sharing of updating of KPI-related information. This promotes transparency, accountability, and alignment across the organization. By providing a centralized platform for collaboration, technology enables effective communication, fosters cross-functional teamwork, and encourages collective ownership of KPIs. Machine learning, artificial intelligence, AI, technologies offer significant KPI monitoring and improvement potential. These technologies can analyze vast amounts of data, identify patterns, and make predictions. For example, AI algorithms can detect anomalies in KPI trends or predict potential performance issues based on historical data. By leveraging machine learning and AI, organizations can proactively address lagging KPIs, optimize resource allocation, and drive continuous improvement. Security and data privacy are paramount when leveraging technology for KPI monitoring and improvement. Organizations must ensure that their systems and platforms adhere to stringent security protocols and comply with relevant data protection regulations. By implementing robust security measures, organizations can safeguard sensitive KPI data and maintain the trust of their stakeholders. In conclusion, technology plays a pivotal role in KPI monitoring and improvement. Organizations can streamline their KPI monitoring processes through data management systems, real-time reporting, advanced analytics, automation, collaborative platforms, and AI technologies, gain valuable insights, and drive continuous improvement. By embracing technology, organizations can stay agile, make data-driven decisions, and achieve performance objectives. In the final section, we will recap the key insights discussed, emphasize the importance of leveraging technology for effective KPI management. Throughout this video, we have delved into the critical topic of key performance indicators and explored strategies for addressing them effectively. Let's recap the key points discussed and emphasize the importance of taking action to drive improvement and achieve long-term success. We began by understanding the concept of KPIs and their significance in measuring organization performance. We highlighted that lagging KPIs are indicators of underperformance and require proactive interventions to identify and address the underlying causes. We then explored the process of identifying KPIs, emphasizing the importance of data analysis and trend identification. By thoroughly examining the data and performance metrics, organizations can pinpoint areas of underperformance and gain insights into the challenges they face. Next, we delved into the root causes of lagging KPIs: inadequate resource allocation, ineffective processes, skill gaps, market dynamics, and organization culture were common factors contributing to underperformance. Understanding these root causes is crucial for developing targeted strategies to address them effectively. We then discussed effective strategies for addressing KPIs. These strategies include conducting a root cause analysis, developing actionable plans, fostering effective communication and engagement, leveraging technology for monitoring and improvement, and promoting a culture of continuous improvement. By implementing these strategies, organizations can drive positive change and overcome underperformance. One key aspect we highlighted is the importance of leveraging technology for KPI monitoring and improvement. Organizations can streamline their monitoring process, gain valuable insights, and drive continuous improvement through data management systems, real-time reporting, advanced analytics, automation, and collaborative platforms. Technology empowers organizations to make data-driven decisions, identify trends, and take timely actions to optimize performance. We want to encourage you as the viewers to take action. Implement the strategies and best practices discussed in this video within your organization. Conduct a thorough analysis of your KPIs, identify the root causes of underperformance, and develop targeted action plans. Foster a culture of continuous improvement, promote collaboration and communication, and embrace technology to monitor and drive improvement in your KPIs. By addressing KPIs, organizations can reap long-term benefits, improve performance, increase productivity, enhance customer satisfaction, and sustainable growth are just a few of the positive outcomes that can be achieved. Addressing underperformance sets organizations on a path toward success, enabling them to stay competitive, meet customer expectations, and achieve their strategic objectives. If you look at metrics, which ones do you review and how often? If you could only review one metric, what would it be? Let's call this your North Star metric. We would like to express our gratitude to you, our valuable audience, for watching this video and learning about lagging KPIs and strategies for improvements. This video insights will empower you to drive positive organization change. If you found this content valuable, we encourage you to like this video, share it with others who may benefit from it, and subscribe to our channel for more educational content on business, strategies, and performance improvement. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to continuing this journey of knowledge and growth together. Thank you. Have a great day and be safe.